So just like a little recap. So this week, I was convinced to attempt these Cornish hens. Never even heard of those. I'm pretty sure they're thawed. They're kind of squishy. I'm not gonna lie. This week I'm definitely the most scared because I don't really know what's inside this package, and I've never cooked chicken or hen, I guess. I don't know if I'm more scared about what's inside this or doing this meal in full. But I'm about to open these up so that I can try to prep them. I have a feeling I'm going to have several questions because I don't know if there's anything inside them. And if there is stuff inside them, I don't really know how to get it out. And then apparently at some point I have to put something back into it and cook that into it, but I don't know. Justin, this is where I'll probably call you, but I know I have to open up the skin and put stuff in the skin. I don't know where to do that, or I don't know. Let me open it up and kind of see what we've got, and I'll get back to you.